Hi my friends, today we model this 19 part corner block from my collection of 100 parts. If we take a look to the drawing, we see nothing special, a plate at the bottom and some holes and a channel on the front wall. We start simply as usual by creating the plate at the bottom, which is a rectangle simply one rectangle, but with the center on the Z axis, as you take a look here. 120 tab 74 with this midpoint on the center point of the sketch, and 8 is the height. 8. Let's apply extrusion. The thickness, and these two corners with a chamfer of 10. These two. Okay. Now another extrusion, this one, this with this contour, but all the way to this line. So we draw a sketch with this shape with 16 here and 38 here. This is very simple. The sketch is this, and then a rectangle, trim this corner. This is very good for us, and a fillet of 12 here, projection of the axis Z, and then apply a dimension of 38. Okay, and mirror of these elements about this axis, and then we have to extrude this contour. Let's do it. Extrude this at 22 minus 8. 22 minus 8. Okay, why 22 minus 8? Because you see here, this is 22 from the bottom, not from here where we started. And the last is this rectangle of all the width on 24. A sketch here, rectangle, tab 24. Finish sketch, extrude this. The total height is 88, but we have to subtract that 22. Okay, very good. Go back to the drawing, home, and we see some fillets are 4, radius 4 on some edges. Let's apply them. This edge is with 4, radius of 4, and some other are this one, okay. I forgot a dimension. This is smaller. You see, the dimension is 16 here. So I go back to the sketch of the second extrusion, this one. After mirroring, we have to apply 16 here. Good. Another object is this channel with the sloped sides. Very interesting. Dimensions are here 60 degrees, 6, and minor radius is 20, at 33 millimeters from the upside. 660. Okay, let's create this channel. The sketch is here. The channel is, as you can see, and now we project geometry as construction line, z-axis again, and we apply symmetry between this and this about that axis. Now the dimensions. This is 60, and the minor dimension from here is radius 20 multiplied by 2. The last dimension is 6. Fully constrained. Finish sketch. Extrude this profile, this, cut at a distance of 33. Okay, very nice. Now we have to apply revolve. Yes, revolve the last profile around this axis at 33. Oh, how difficult it is. Not a big deal, because we are expert. We draw 3 lines. 1, 2, 3. This one does exist, and we change this to be center line. Finish sketch, revolve this around this axis, select axis, but cut. Okay. That's all. Very good. Now some holes. What holes? One is here of 20 through. Let's create it. Hole on this surface, centered about this arc, with a diameter of 20 and through. You see, through all. Okay. There are other three holes. One is, all of them are on this face. Oh, this is very simple. You know how to create such holes. We have to place not in the center of the fillet, but at some distances, 3 points. 1, 2, 3. 96, 44. Point. 1, 2, 3. These two must be on the same horizontal. This is on the same vertical with this point, the center point of our drawing. And then dimensions. Yes, I forgot this 12. 12 from the face, 12. 96 between these two. 96. But we want to be symmetrical placed. Let's make another. Usually I draw this line and I place the midpoint on the same vertical with this. But now let's do on another way. You see, we have forgot also the dimension from here, 44, as you remember, 44, and then to constrain to be centered. We project geometry as not important, this of the z-axis, z, yes, and now symmetry, this point, you see, now select second sketch element, and now select the symmetry line, that's all, fully constrained, finish sketch. What about the holes? Are they through? Yes, when nothing is written here, and when we see the other view, we know that they are through. But what diameter? Diameter of 8. Okay, hole 8 and go. Yes, F6, and there is nothing else to add. This is the part corner block. Select material, steel carbon, select G, gunmetal, and then some faces to be polished, titanium polished, as in the view. These all are to be manufactured. I keep pressed the key Shift during this selection, and then titanium polished, F6, and that's the part. You see, this is the part. Good. Data, here's 2.5 kilos closed. Now I want to tell you that at my previous tutorial there is a mistake. Somewhere this model has missing something. I wait for you to send a comment on that tutorial number 58 to see that you are alive. You are not dead. Yes, and you used to respect your teacher, which means you respect me, my work, and you are very careful to fulfill my demands and to answer to my questions. I am waiting for you. I add now same aspect, titanium, to my beautiful object, and now I finished. I'm waiting for your comment about my mistake or missing element at my previous tutorial. Bye bye.